Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock has broken through a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may serve as an early signal of a potential trend shift. In the event of a reaction, support is expected at the ceiling of the trend that has been broken, specifically at $264.28. This level could provide a second opportunity for upward movement. According to fan theory, $367.76 may represent the next possible peak level, presenting a resistance that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 43.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -66.08% and -44.26%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 64.51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 44.94% and 232.95% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $387.41 and $889.92. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Is Tesla stock still a buy after falling 5.47% on Thursday?" The Tesla stock price decreased by 5.47% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, dropping from $282.76 to $267.28. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.66%. with a day low at $261.51 and a day high of $276.30. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 13.13% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should ideally align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 71 million shares, with a total of 135 million shares exchanged for approximately $36 billion and $50 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $138.80. Currently, the price stands at 45.29%, or $221.26, below the 52-week high of $488.54. which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, Tesla stock is encountering significant challenges, marked by a decline of nearly 5% in share price. This drop comes as investors react to a broader market sell-off, spurred by recent economic announcements, including President Trump's tariff plans. These developments have heightened fears of stagflation and recession. Consequently, this market climate is heavily impacting consumer sentiment and the earnings outlook for growth stocks like Tesla, resulting in increased volatility. Compounding the situation, Tesla has reported its lowest vehicle sales in 3 years, raising concerns about its competitive standing in the electric vehicle market, especially as rivals like BYD demonstrate promising growth potential. Analysts now forecast that BYD could exceed Tesla in market capitalization within the next 3 years, indicating a pivotal moment for Tesla's leadership in the sector. Additionally, technical indicators reveal that Tesla's leveraged exchange-traded funds have experienced a death cross, suggesting a likelihood of continued downturns. This has made traders cautious about the possibility of a short squeeze. The combination of declining sales performance and unfavorable market dynamics could lead to further declines in stock price in the short term, with long-term implications depending on Tesla's ability to recover in sales and innovation amidst escalating competition. Strong investor sentiment will be essential as the company navigates these challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 19th of March 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TSLA a reduced grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of March 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned TSLA a mixed grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March 2025, it was reported that GLJ Research assigned TSLA a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of March 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned TSLA a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tesla stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Tesla stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $269.49 and $280.23. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 7.24%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $248.09 and $230.58. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may fall to the next support level. In Tesla's case, if the support at $248.09 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $230.58 and $222.15. This stock is known to experience significant movement throughout the day, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $14.79 between its high and low, which is a fluctuation of 5.66%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analysts expect earnings to be at 50 cents per share. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $273.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $248.09. If this support level holds, it could be an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Murdoch James R., who bought and sold 1,118,350 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 19.166. Overall, insiders purchased 883,105 shares and sold 1,328,597 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently, no stop-loss order has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla exhibits several negative signals and is currently in a wide and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Based on this analysis, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical indicators, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we expect Tesla to open higher by $1.08, initiating trade at $268.36. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.